O, diba, ang aking friend na si Heiji is from Loma Linda, USA, and she gave me this pasalubong and gift. Thank you so much, my dear. Ayan, meron akong mga towels. And then hand sanitizer, Shea Moisture. And may raisins ako. Oh my God, thank you sa raisins. Pero ito the best, diba? Kasi sabi niya, oh, you're building a house. So, ito. This is a, oh my gosh, meron tayong mammoth sunflower. Oh my gosh, wow. And so, pepper Tabasco. Meron tayong pepper Tabasco. And meron tayong carrot. Oh my God, itatanim tayo. Cucumber. And we have pepper again. And bean garden. And pepper hot jalapeno. Jalapeno. Oh my God, may jalapeno tayo. Fairy Morse carrot. And garden chives. Oh my God, thank you so much, Heidi. Yan, ang aking friend na si Heidi. Kababata ko yan from Isabela. Sa ano kami nag-aral dati sa 7th Day Adventist Elementary School. Kapitbahay namin sa Santiago, Isabela yan. Yung beshi ko yan. Ayan, thank you so much. O diba guys, bongga. So, maitatanim tayo sa bahay soon. May kitang aking flower garden. O diba? Thank you so much everybody. Bye!